Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fiesta gas tank. First, you'll want to locate the fuel flap, which is almost always on the left-hand side of your car. Once you find it, look for a small indentation or a finger pull. A gentle push or pull on this area should unlatch the flap, allowing it to swing open. This reveals the actual fuel filler, ready for the next step in your refueling process. Now that the flap is open, you'll see the fuel filler. Many modern Ford Fiestas use an innovative capless easy fuel system. With this, you simply insert the fuel nozzle directly into the opening. There's no cap to unscrew. For other models, you'll find a traditional screw-on cap. Just twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Remember to tighten any screw-on cap until it clicks several times after fueling to maintain proper pressure and prevent error lights. Occasionally, your Fiesta might have an internal release button for the fuel flap. This button is typically located on the dashboard, often near the driver's door or on the center console. Pressing it will electronically unlatch the flap. If you encounter any difficulty, or if the electronic release fails, there's usually a manual override. Look in your trunk, often behind a small access panel on the right or left side, for a pull lever to manually open the fuel door. When you're ready to refuel, always ensure your engine is completely off. Insert the fuel nozzle slowly and fully into the filler neck to engage the system properly and prevent any splashback. Listen for the automatic click of the pump, indicating the tank is nearly full. It's best to stop after the nozzle clicks off a second time to avoid overfilling, which can lead to spills and potential issues with your vehicle's emissions system. Happy travels!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.